Hey guys, this is Corey and Sam from Stay, and we're about to do a Christmas house tour.
So we just finished decorating about a week and a half ago. We're a little late to the game this year just due to our business being super busy in a great way. So we went out to a couple stores and found some last minute things. A lot of places were sold out. So luckily we had some stuff from last year, but we snagged a couple new things from this year. We went with a very boho neutral aesthetic and vibe for Christmas decorating this year. And so we are gonna walk through and show you how we decorated and where we got the items from. And if you aren't following us yet, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel where we share a ton of home decor tips. Also, if you're on Instagram and TikTok, we are on there at Stay By Cori Samuel. We'll put the links below, so make sure you're following us on there.
And the sponsor of this video is Entryway, and we'll share more about them in just a little bit. Cool, let's go.
So here's our entryway. If you would have seen in the last couple videos, we had a totally different setup that was here previously that we've had for the last like 2 years. So the first thing that we swapped out was this entryway table. We actually got this from Bed Bath & Beyond. It was on like super clearance and now it's discontinued, but they do have it in the acorn color, but it's got drawers, which our other entryway table did not have. So there's actually functionality to it now. And then we added this rug from, it's a jute rug from Rugs USA, and we already had this on top of it that we got from Target. And it's also got this little shelf for baskets that we put all of our shoes in that we don't ever wear. And then we added some cute little Christmas decor on here. This garland we got from Hobby Lobby. This snow globe we got from TJ Maxx. These trees I believe are from Target. The mirror we already had here from Hobby Lobby. We're gonna replace it with something a little bit bigger soon. And then we did our DIY flock, which we actually have a video about that on our TikTok, Instagram, and we'll add the link to it below. We added our own flocking with 3 ingredients, and this is all real garland too, so it makes it look like very snowy and really, really pretty. And then these houses, you'll see them throughout our place too. Target dollar section, I think they're $5, and they already have like a battery in it. And then all these little trees and little houses too are from Target. They had like the best, I feel like hands down the best home decor stuff. And then we've got our Vitruvi Whitestone Diffuser. It's very, very pretty, and we are using the Grove blend, and we have a 20% off discount code for anything on their website that we'll add below as well. So yeah, so let's keep moving and I'll show you the rest of the living room.
Okay, now I'm gonna show you guys what we did to our mantle. So just like our entryway, we used the same recipe that's on our TikTok to flock this, and we strung a longer piece of garland and made it hang on both sides, because what that did is it hid the lights a little bit when we connected to the wall, and it fills out and looks very, very grand. And we got everything that's up here from Walmart and Target. So we got these candlestick holders. These were like 15 bucks. I think it was a part of the Studio McGee line. Both of these trees from Walmart, I think they were both right around 10 bucks each. If you notice on this side, it looks like it kind of tapers around the mirror a little bit, and they both of them do. So that way it kind of contours the mirror a little bit, but yet both sides on the edge don't feel like exact copies on the left and right side, just so that way it kind of like breaks it up a little bit, but it still feels like it goes together. So then we just left this really simple here. We got another little tree, or what do you call this? Like a house village, if you will. And then these are all from Target, all the $5 section. These were part of the Christmas section in Target as well. I think these were both like 10, 15 bucks. So that's what we did. We did some command strips for our stockings and just left it really simple. We were gonna add some twinkle lights in there, but we forgot to. But this was like a genius way, really simple, to be able to make the mantle feel really nice and full for Christmas.
And here is our flocked Christmas tree. We did a video about this, once again, TikTok, Instagram, if you want to know how we did it. We have that, and I'll put the link to the blog writing about how we did it below. This is a real tree. We got this, I think, the week like of Thanksgiving, like a few days after Thanksgiving. So it's still alive. It's starting to dry up a little bit, but we've just made sure to water it every few days. And then we added on a bunch of really neutral ornaments. Some of these are from we did a DIY terracotta look on them, which I can put the link for that below too. This was such a fun project. And then some of these are from some of my favorite like small companies, Daycrafter, and I'll add her link below too, her Etsy shop. So yeah, so then we'll move over to here. This is our media cabinet. Last year we did something kind of similar as far as decor. We did this DIY flocked garland up here, but we added in some other like little trees, which almost everything's from Target, to be honest. These little houses, and then this snow globe from TJ Maxx Home Goods, which I love. And we added some twinkle lights to let it, you know, look extra twinkly. And then if you haven't seen it yet, if you go on YouTube or on Netflix, you can type in fireplace and you can pull up and it'll play like music and have like a really pretty fireplace like live showing, and we usually have that on. But yeah, we'll go upstairs and I'll show you what our bedroom looks like.
And we would like to thank Vitruvi for sponsoring this video. Vitruvi has the most amazing modern diffusers that we have ever seen. We've had a couple different oil diffusers in the past, and Vitruvi is definitely the cleanest, most up-to-date diffuser we have ever had in our house.
One of my favorite parts is they have the essential oil blends, and one of them is Grove, which I mentioned earlier that we have pumping the last like month. You only need probably like 5 to 6 drops is what I normally do. Literally it smells like Christmas. So it's got like that real Christmas tree scent, and because we did the flock, it kind of takes away from the scent. So adding those in really makes our place smell like Christmas, and it is so nice.
So if you are looking to get a diffuser, we have a 20% off coupon for you. So just make sure to use the code CORI20 and you'll get 20% off of your order.
I'm slightly freaking out because our room is the brightest it's ever looked. Where we live, the sun is like a hit or miss, and
whoa.
All right, so here is our bedroom, and we added this little tree in here. We wanted to add some like Christmas stuff because we've actually never decorated our room. So we had this tree that we got last year from Walmart for $22. I don't know how we got it that cheap, but it's so cute. It's like perfect. And I didn't feel like buying another tree skirt, so we just used a blanket that we had. It's actually a great idea for any tree you have. Just put a blanket around it. We added some small little ornaments that we had already, and then we actually just got these nightstands in. We just put them in about a week ago. I'll link them below. They're so cute, and they have 2 drawers on it. We swapped out the knobs on it, so they came with a silver knob, and we just bought gold ones off Amazon. We got another Vitruvi diffuser, the white stone one, and we have basil and peppermint in there right now, and it smells really, really like fresh. And then we added some little trees from Target that we already had. The same ones from downstairs too. And then we've got our bedding. We just added on these pillows from West Elm that we got, the big ones in the back. And then we've had these from the Home Mind. Those are our favorite pillows. You'll probably see them in like half of our photos on our Instagram. We laid this blanket from Amazon across the bed. It looks really good. We've got our large Fairwind piece above the bed, and we wrapped some garland around it. We bought a bunch of garland. You can get a big thing of it from Lowe's for like 20-25 bucks, and we still have some left over, but we used that around the piece, which looks really, really good. So we got the pillows from West Elm to make our bed feel a little bit more full, because before we just had smaller pillows that we sleep on, and it didn't feel like it felt very full. So we got those, and I feel like it makes it feel so much better and look better. And then over here we've got another end table, and got some like little trees. Sam loves this one. It's from Target in the dollar section. And then this gold brush one, bottle brush tree. And then yeah, we got the other end table right here. And then moving over here, the circular mirror was from Kirkland's, but it's been discontinued, so I can link another one similar below. And then all these little knickknacks you see on the shelves, those are all from Target. The books on the bottom that says "It's the most wonderful time of the year" is from her friend Jessica from Refrain Aria Shop, and she makes these customized books so you can get anything you want written on them. And then the chair is from Overstock, but it's been discontinued, I think, too. I don't know what is with us, with all of our items we have are discontinued. I'm like, they're so cute. So hopefully they bring it back. This pillow is from the Coastal Boho Studio, and I think we got this from Target. And then my favorite part of this is the garland around our window. So I saw pictures of people putting it around like almost like a walkway into a room, and we just don't have that because we live in a condo, so we don't have like a ton of like walkway like from dining room to living room kind of thing. But we do have this big window, so I was like, this would look really good, and I feel like it makes the window look so much bigger than how it feels. So we're trying to think of what we could put around it outside of Christmas for like pompous, like, I don't know. But this definitely filled it out. We just used thumbtacks to put it in the wall, and it's stayed up for, I think we put it over a week ago. So I would say this is my favorite part of the room for sure.
Well, thank you guys so much for watching this tour with us. We had a great time having you for a little bit, and if you're watching this on Christmas Eve or Christmas Day, we hope you have the best Christmas this year ever. And if you happen to be alone, I hope this video was able to make you feel like you had some company over, or you visited someone's house. And if you need other things to make you feel warm and cozy, make sure to follow us on TikTok and Instagram. We're gonna be posting stuff on Christmas Eve, on Christmas Day. Nice voice crack. But so if you need a friend, come follow us and we will definitely keep you company.
And I'm gonna make sure to add all of the links below for anything that I mentioned, and for the other items in our place that I might not have mentioned or linked below, we have them in previous videos, so you can head back to that, like our couch, pillows, all that stuff, all are linked on the other videos. So like Sam said, thank you guys so much for watching, and if you have not liked and subscribed to our YouTube channel yet, hit that subscribe button. That way you don't miss out on any videos that we post moving forward. We hope you guys have an amazing Christmas, and thank you so much for watching.